Good morning to all. Myself P. Santanalakshmi, Assistant Professor, belongs to MCA Department, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. This tutorial I am going to handling web scraping in Python programming. Web scraping means extracting data from the website. If the information small means we can copy and paste. But if you want to large amount of data on a daily basis and as quickly as possible, in such case, copy and paste will not work. There we need web scraping. Request library making the request for HTTP request and return the response. There are two library, a request library and a beautiful soup library in the Python for web scraping. Pip installation, which is normally required to install request library and beautiful soup library. So pip install request, it install request library. So that is required. Similarly, pip install beautiful soup 4. So that install beautiful soup library. So a HTTP request that push data to the server, retrieve data from the specified URL. So this is the program, request library programs, so which helps to extract data from the specified website. For example, request.get. This is the statement to extract the data from geeks4geeks.org website. So there we fetching content that will be stored in R. Next we are checking the status code. Print of R, it print the success code. Next to print the content using the R.content, it print all the data which is in the website. Whatever we have seen in the website, that will be printing. This is the output of the previous program. So all the data, whatever it is in the website, that is completely printing here. So response object, normally it is similar to request object. So response object is also we can use with the request object. For example, instead of response, here we use a request. Using this, we are getting the information. Request.get, again, whatever we have seen in the previous slide. This is for getting the data from the geeks for geeks that will be stored in the. After that, we are printing the status code using the r.status code. It print. If you want to print the URL of the website, that is r.url, then status code we also print. So output is geeks for geeks, that is the URL. Then status code is 200. It means success. 200 status code, it means success. Beautiful soup library. It is for extracting information from the HTML and XML files. Actually, it generates the parse tree. Through navigating that parse tree, we can extract whatever information we want. If you want, we can modify the parse tree also. And then beautiful soup. This is the library. It is for pulling the data from the HTML and XML file for web scraping purpose. Request, we are getting the content, whereas beautiful soup, it taking data from the scrapping the data from the HTML and XML files. So it is a parse tree from page source code that can be utilized to drag and hierarchically and more legibly. So, beautiful soup, it was presented by Leonard Richardson, who is still donating to this project, and this project is also supported by TideLift, a paid subscription tool for open source supervision. Beautiful Soup 3 was officially released in May 2006, latest version 4.9.2. It supports both Python 3 and 2.0. Installation, so this is very similar installation. How we installing request library, same way we can request the beautiful soup library. So pip install beautiful soup 4, the 4 version will be installed. So this is the output of the installation. So inspecting means getting the desired data from the web pages. For example, right click the web page and inspect. There is an option inspect. If you choose that, normally it asks what you want to search from that particular web page. So if you give that, that searches that particular element. Thank you.